Stay prepared for any outdoor adventure with this compact and reliable survival gear. The best emergency sleeping bag offers lightweight portability, superior insulation, and all-weather protection, ensuring warmth and safety during unexpected situations in the wilderness or while traveling. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. MEREZA Emergency Sleeping Bag. The MEREZA Emergency Sleeping Bag offers a luxurious blend of warmth, comfort, and practicality for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone preparing for emergencies. Made from 100% premium flannel, this sleeping bag provides an unmatched softness and a cozy feel when used directly against the skin, improving overall sleep quality even in chilly conditions. The brushed surface of the flannel is designed to create small air pockets that effectively trap heat, ensuring consistent warmth throughout the night. Certified by OEKOTX, it guarantees that the materials used are safe and free from harmful substances, giving users peace of mind about their sleeping environment. This bag is not only ideal for camping, but also works wonderfully for road trips, sleepovers, and other outdoor activities, thanks to its versatility. The flannel fibers respond quickly to body heat, trapping warmth while maintaining breathability to prevent overheating. Its generous size is perfect for 2 people, making it a great choice for couples, families, or friends who want to share a sleeping space without sacrificing comfort. Eliminating the need for separate bags, it keeps both occupants snug in a shared warm environment. Whether you're camping under the stars, resting during a long road journey, or needing a reliable backup for unexpected overnight stays, the MEREZA Double Sleeping Bag offers superior comfort and warmth in all conditions. Its combination of premium materials, certified safety, and spacious design makes it stand out as a dependable and cozy solution for outdoor sleeping needs. Number 2. 1TG Tactical Emergency Sleeping Bag. The 1TG Tactical Emergency Sleeping Bag is purpose-built for outdoor adventurers, military personnel, and survivalists who demand durability, portability, and weather resistance. Featuring a rugged 40D nylon outer shell and a 190T polyester lining, it's enhanced with 2 50G/7D hollow fiber filling, making it both water-repellent and well-insulated for year-round use. Designed in a mummy shape to maximize warmth retention, it's ideal for temperatures ranging from 25 degrees Fahrenheit to 36 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable comfort in diverse climates. The sleeping bag incorporates windproof strips in critical areas like the neck and zipper to lock in heat, while the adjustable hood and collar add extra protection against cold weather. A spacious 3D footbox lined with soft fleece provides enhanced comfort and warmth for your feet. The unique diagonal zipper design allows greater mobility, letting you access your arms without fully unzipping the bag, a thoughtful feature for tactical operations or multitasking in camp. Dual zipper heads with pinch guards, a secure hook and loop closure, and a name tag for identification further add to its practicality. Inside, a small pocket provides safe storage for your essentials, like a phone or flashlight. Weighing just 3.88 pounds and compressing down to a compact 13-inch length in its stuffed sack, it's easy to carry in bug-out bags, rucksacks, or backpacks. Whether you're camping, hunting, hiking, or preparing for emergency situations, the 1TG Tactical Emergency Sleeping Bag delivers superior performance, weather protection, and portability, making it a trusted choice for serious outdoor use. Number 3. Go Time Gear Emergency Sleeping Bag. The Go Time Gear Emergency Sleeping Bag is a versatile and compact survival essential designed to offer maximum protection in a variety of situations. Crafted from tear and puncture-resistant PET 26 Mylar, it is both windproof and waterproof, ensuring reliable shelter from rain, snow, and harsh winds. The interior is engineered to reflect up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm in cold conditions or serving as an added layer of insulation when used inside a standard sleeping bag. This bivvy sack doubles as a makeshift blanket or a component of a larger survival shelter, making it an invaluable addition to any bug-out bag or camping kit. At just 4.1 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight and packs down into a small 4-inch by 3-inch stuffed sack, ensuring it won't take up unnecessary space in your gear. The package also includes a 120 decibel survival whistle capable of alerting rescuers from up to a mile away, a critical feature in emergency scenarios. This sleeping bag can be reused, offering long-term reliability when folded and stored properly after each use. Whether you're hiking through unpredictable terrain, camping in cooler climates, or preparing for unforeseen emergencies, the Go Time Gear Life Bivvy provides peace of mind and dependable protection. Its balance of compact design, durable materials, and multifunctionality ensures that you stay prepared no matter where your adventures or emergencies take you. Number 4. Sierra Madre Emergency Sleeping Bag. The Sierra Madre Emergency Sleeping Bag is designed with survival in mind, offering exceptional heat retention and weather protection in a lightweight package. Made from durable PET mylar originally developed by NASA, this thermal bivy sack reflects 90% of body heat, making it ideal for extreme conditions. Whether you're caught in a sudden storm or facing a frigid night outdoors, it provides waterproof and windproof shelter that keeps you dry and warm. Weighing only 6 ounces, it's incredibly portable and fits easily into backpacks, glove compartments, or emergency kits. Despite its light weight, the Sierra Madre sleeping bag offers generous coverage, comfortably accommodating a wide range of body types. Unlike flimsy disposable options, it is tough enough for multiple uses, folding neatly back into its drawstring stuffed sack for future adventures. Its versatile design makes it suitable for backpackers, hikers, preppers, or even parents who want to ensure safety in unpredictable situations. According to the Red Cross, exposure to the elements is the leading threat in crisis scenarios, making this bag a must-have in any survival kit. From bug-out bags to hiking trips, the Sierra Madre Emergency Sleeping Bag ensures that warmth and safety are always within reach, offering the durability, reusability, and protection needed in high-stakes environments. Number 5. Modern Needs Emergency Sleeping Bag. The Modern Needs Emergency Sleeping Bag is a rugged and reliable bivy sack built for outdoor resilience and emergency preparedness. Constructed from tear-resistant polyethylene with sealed seams, it provides a waterproof barrier that shields you from rain, wind, and light snow while retaining up to 90% of your body heat through its reflective insulation. Despite its high durability, it is impressively lightweight and compact, smaller than a soda can and lighter than a deck of cards, making it an easy addition to any. This adaptability makes it valuable for campers, hikers, and anyone preparing for unpredictable outdoor conditions. When unfolded, it offers full body coverage, ensuring comfort and warmth without adding unnecessary bulk to your gear. Built to withstand changing weather, it provides dependable warmth during cold nights, while its minimalist size ensures it remains unobtrusive until needed. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, hiking in remote areas, or storing emergency supplies at home or in your vehicle, the Modern Needs Emergency Sleeping Bag delivers a strong combination of portability, durability, and heat retention. It's a practical and essential tool for anyone who values preparedness and outdoor safety. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.